Hello and welcome to Tomorrow News. I am Dhyana Bhavsar. Met Office issues Scotland weather warning as monster 70 mph gales to batter UK. The Met Office has issued a fresh weather alert as parts of Britain prepare for a return of difficult conditions. The yellow warning for wind is in force from midnight on Wednesday through middle, affecting Scotland, specifically Na Elina, Highland, Orkney Island, and Allergy and Beauty. Forecasters have cautioned that a period of surf gales is likely to developing overnight Tuesday into Wednesday across the outer and inner Hebrides. This will steadily move northeast across other exposed parts of the northwest mainland, Scotland, and into Orkney during Wednesday morning. Wind speed could reach 70 mph, while there's a slim possibility that certain spots might experience gusty approaching 80 mph. According to the Met Office warning, a period of surf gales is likely to develop overnight Tuesday into Wednesday across the outer and inner Hebrides, steadily transferring northeast across other exposed parts of northwest mainland, Scotland, and into Orkney during Wednesday morning. Gusts of 65 to 70 mph are possible, with a small chance that a few locations could see gusts of 75 to 80 mph. Rain and blustery showers will accompany the strongest wind. The Met Office has cautioned that disruption to road, rail, air, and ferry services is possible, while brief power cuts and interpretations to other utilities are likely. Coastal road, seafronts, and seaside communities may face hazard from spray and large waves. The Met Office has urged individuals in the affected region to monitor road condition and adjust travel plans if required, reporters The Express. Locals are also advised to assemble torches and batteries, a mobile phone power pack, and other vital items in anticipation of potential power cuts. This period of weather comes before what is expected to be a fiery blizzard likely to affect 60% of the country. At least 13 cities across the UK are set to experience snow, forecaster says. And the Miner has listed this location as full as new information suggests most of the UK will be cold enough for the wild stuff from Friday. Snow is particularly likely on Friday itself, with parts of northwest of England to bear the brunt of the inclement weather. That's all for now. For more weather news update, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather update like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular update.